Hey guys, welcome to my next travel vlog. This one is literally the most random and spontaneous trip we've ever taken. Low-key panicking and questioning our life's decision on this flight, but you know what? YOLO, we only live once. Oh my god, I literally came home late from my part-time job one Monday night, only to find out that my little sister really wants to fly to Italy. And because I'm the world's best big sister who's travel obsessed, of course I couldn't say no to this very unplanned and spontaneous idea. So straight after work we booked our flights, Airbnb, packed our bags, and with hardly any sleep, we headed straight for the airport. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Olbia. Bro, we on the way to our first excursion and it is looking very packed here. Yes, it's tourist season, so it's quite busy. Yeah, as you can tell. There are many cars in this car park. We have a few seagulls joining us today. And yeah, we're here on this hot sunny day.
No!
We made it to the boat ride, but it looks like it's in the most dodgiest area because look what's going on behind us. I think we're gonna swim to our boat. We're not. That's our boat right there. This looks dodgy. The sun is finally showing. We're ready to go on the boat. Cheers! Okay, so the weather started raining when we landed, and I really wasn't convinced that a semi-private boat tour was a good idea, but after half a beer, music, and some speed, this actually turned out to be the highlight of our entire trip. This excursion is called Olbia Boat Tour to watch dolphins and snorkeling, and we booked this via the Get Your Guide app when we arrived.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, I've seen dolphins from afar in the past, but nothing I've done has beat this experience. This was our first time seeing dolphins up super close. It was insane. If that wasn't enough, shortly after we were then taken to swim at one of the locations where they filmed the Little Mermaid live action film. Like, what the actual hell? I never realised that the live action film was filmed in Sardinia. And there we were on this beautiful side of the island, singing, swimming, dancing, living our Little Mermaid fantasies, including our tour guide. Also had complimentary drinks and complimentary little sweet treats basically, which was just a small touch that made it extra special for us. Oh. I love the way you move. Woo! We're just fully out here living the life. For context of where we are, Sardinia is a large Italian island in the Mediterranean Sea, and Olbia is a beautiful coastline city located in the northeast of Sardinia, which is where we stayed. The island is the second largest island in the Mediterranean Sea after Sicily, and one of the 20 regions of Italy. It has nearly 2,000 kilometers of coastline, sandy beaches, and a mountainous interior crossed with hiking trails. And sailing around the island was definitely a highlight. Shortly after, we had some gelato, took in the sights of the city streets and sounds, and then headed back to our Airbnb. So we came through that gate, and then we come through this gate, up the steps. Let's put the lights on. So this is the entrance. We have a mini fridge, microwave. The fridge is also like filled, which is nice. Then we have the toilet right here. Nice looking toilet. And we got a shower here. And then over here is the bedroom. Boom, boom, boom. Here is the view from our bedroom. This is obviously our bed, wardrobe, table full of snacks, which is so nice. Wow. And we got coffee, water, refreshments, more food and refreshments down here. We've got a little TV and little space for clothing. And yeah, it's just a cute room. Soon it was time for dinner, and deciding where to eat with so many restaurants and dining options around was a hard decision. Cheers! However, we did end up having dinner at a lovely restaurant called Inaqua. The food here was delicious and the atmosphere was aesthetically satisfactory. This is my breakfast. I had a croissant and I dipped it in some Nutella. We were running late to check out, so we just took some breakfast stuff with us. We are going to make our way now to find our Tuk Tuk. It should be right across the road from where we are. Should be somewhere down this direction here.
In a comfortable, convenient way. So buckle your safety belts and enjoy the ride.
Oh, Daddy, you actually have seatbelts. The second and sadly final activity we booked via the Get Your Guide app is named Olbia Exclusive Private Guided City Tour in Tuk Tuk, and this was a super fun and unique way to get a quick tour of the city. This was my little sister's very first time and my second time riding a Tuk Tuk, with my first experience being in Sierra Leone. This experience came with a built-in audio guide, however we were too distracted at the fact that we were the only ones being driven in a Tuk Tuk to remember any of the historical facts. Oopsies! Not long after, it was lunchtime, and with so many restaurants to choose from again, we struggled to pick where to eat. However, we did settle for a classic pizza at a restaurant called Ciao Bella. So Italian. Thank you so much.
The pizza is coming.
Thank you. I have my sex on the beach. Oh, this is so nice. Woo. We actually ordered one pizza, but the waiter was so lovely. We said we wanted to share it between us two, so they split it in half, and I love the presentation. I just think it's the cutest thing ever. This is the cutest brunch. Hello! Shortly after, it was time to head back to the airport to fly home. The original plan was to stay a few more hours to explore some of the most breathtaking beaches the island had to offer. However, we did have an issue with our original flight back and had to book an earlier one, which was a shame. However, overall, this spontaneously unplanned and last-minute trip was a success, and we will gladly be back here again someday.